Good morning. We're going to do morning meeting together. I hope everyone is having a great morning. Okay, we're going to start with today. So remember, this picture means today. So today is, does anyone know? It's Tuesday. Touch Tuesday. All right, let's say that in a sentence.
Today is Tuesday.
Today is Tuesday. Good job. This picture means month.
The month is.
The month is. This month is May. Touch May. May has a picture of a mom and a baby because Mother's Day is in May.
May.
So let's say that in a sentence.
The month is May.
The month is May. Good job. This picture means date. Do you see only one block is highlighted because that is one day.
The date is.
So the date is May 5th.
5th.
Can you touch the 5? Good job. So if we say the date all together, we'll say it's May 5th, 2020. All right. Do you all remember what this picture means? This is our weather picture. All right, for the weather, you need to go look outside if you haven't seen. So Miss Ainsley looked outside, and right now it's cloudy. But I'm looking at my weather app, and it says it might rain later again. So either one will work for today, cloudy or rainy. Miss Ainsley's going to say
Cloudy.
Cloudy for now. So you touch what the weather's doing at your house. And then we're going to say it in a sentence.
The weather is cloudy.
The weather is cloudy, or the weather is rainy. All right, this picture goes along with the weather. It's
The temperature is.
temperature. So Miss Ainsley's looking, and right now the temperature is 53 degrees, and it's not going to change a ton today. So the temperature is cool. Touch cool.
The temperature is cool.
Right, good job, friends. Thank you for doing morning meeting with me, and I want you to work hard today. Bye.